Hi, I'm Elaine Brewster from Aspects of Energy, and I have a question for you. Why do we clean off our dryer filters every time we use our dryer? Is it to help our clothes? Turns out it's not. It's to maintain the health of our machine. Well, if I don't have an air filter in my home, my lungs have to filter me to maintain my machine. The Nikken KenkoAir Purifier is 20% off through May 2022. It has a HEPA 13 filter. That is the best kind. That's the kind they use in kidney dialysis centers, medical research rooms, places where they make computer chips, operating rooms, places where they need a clean, pristine environment. Go to CDC.gov, which is not Nikken related, that's government site, and put in HEPA Air, H-E-P-A. They will direct you to pages of documents showing the single best thing you can do in your home to not spread viruses like SARS and COVID. That is not me saying that. That is CDC.gov. And it's to use a HEPA 13 filter, HEPA filter, and HEPA 13 is the best. In addition, this unit creates billions of negative ions without creating ozone, which is a danger. And these ions are the way you feel at a waterfall. They create a freshness and a calm and a positive feeling in your home. Just to give you a short story, I have two friends who both have cats, and they are both allergic to cats, but each one of them has this unit in their house. And so they get to enjoy the companionship of those little felines without the nose that goes along with it usually. The company is Nikken, N-I-K-K-E-N, the famous Japanese prevention company. My website is uniquetech.mynikken.com. Check it out or call me, 801-367-1885. I'd be happy to tell you more. This air unit is good anytime, but especially if you can take advantage of the 20% off through May 2022, what a good deal you'll have. Thanks.